This is your challenge and practice activity about the corner pins. You have here a video of a phone, just panning around. Okay, it's very simple. And what you want to do is to take the pre-comp or the composition chat phone and just track it and put it inside the phone. Here you are. Very simple, very easy. Now, it's very important that you try. I've provided you with the motion graphics. If you open the chat phone, it's very easy, just a few layers that are scaling up. Don't worry about these layers having been imported from Illustrator. Just deal with them as layers if you want to change the animation over here. But I would like you to focus on the tracking here, tracking the motion of the green screen, as you can see, and also editing the target and applying for the chat phone. It's very easy, very simple. But also it's up to you now to go ahead and start playing with this. Now, of course, I did this motion graphics. If you don't like it, put your own motion graphics. That will be very nice. Create a new comp. See how you can do the size of the composition. There is a lot in this project, if you notice. I created this comp by just importing it from Illustrator. Maybe you want to create your own motion graphics inside, or you want to put another video plus motion graphics. Please guys, go to After Effects and open the challenge project file and start working on it. Thank you. I will see you in the tutorial after you have done this in the next lecture.